As per farmers and as per eyewitnesses, three SUVs came at a very fast pace, and they ran over the dissenting and protesting farmers, and killing 4 people on the spot and injuring another 12. Now, after this, violence erupted in the area. On Sunday, there was an event which was supposed to be held here in Lakhimpur Kheri, where farmers were supposed to show black flags to Deputy CM Keshav Prasad Maurya, who was supposed to attend an event in the village of Minister of Home, Union Minister of State for Home, Ajay Mishra, who's also an MP from Lakhimpur Kheri. Before that event, farmers had gathered to show black flags to Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya, because they were angry over a statement made by the Union Minister Ajay Mishra, who had allegedly said that he can fix the farmers in 2 minutes. Before Keshav Prasad Maurya's helicopter could land in Tikunia area of Lakhimpur Kheri district, the farmers were told that Mr. Keshav Prasad Maurya is going to take an alternate route, and that he will not be coming by a helicopter and will rather come by by road. So that's when the farmers decided to call off the program. As per farmers and as per eyewitnesses from Tikunia village, Tikunia area, the incident happened when suddenly 3 SUVs came from the side of the village. The 3 SUVs came at a very fast pace, and they ran over the dissenting and protesting farmers, and killing 4 people on the spot and injuring another 12. Now, after this, violence erupted in the area, and the locals and farmers who had gathered there, they indulged in arson and vandalism. On Monday, thousands of farmers visited Lakhimpur Kheri district from other states like Haryana, Punjab, Uttarakhand, and different parts of Uttar Pradesh, after a call was given by the Bharatiya Kisan Union that farmers must assemble here and show solidarity to the other farmers who have died. So at Tikunia, where the incident happened, the thousands of farmers had gathered on Monday, saying that they are not going to send the bodies for post-mortem until their demands are met. They had put forward a list of demands, saying that they will only send the bodies for a post-mortem examination after their demands are met. The demands included a judicial inquiry into the incident, compensation for the families, immediate arrest of the accused, and a fair probe. A delegation of senior officials from the state government met Rakesh Tikait, who's a senior farmer leader and the national spokesperson for the Bharatiya Kisan Union. He met a delegation of senior state officials who made some assurances to him, and after that, it was a truce was reached between an agreement was reached between the two sides. After the incident where 8 people were killed on Sunday, several oppositions in Uttar Pradesh, including very senior leaders like Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav, Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, BSP General Secretary Satish Chand Mishra, all announced that they are going to be visiting Lakhimpur Kheri on Monday to show solidarity with the farmers. The government reacted and they announced that nobody is going to be allowed to travel to Lakhimpur Kheri because of Section 144 being in place, and because it may lead to a law and order situation in the district. And that is when these leaders who were planned to visit Lakhimpur Kheri on Monday were stopped. Some of them were stopped in Lucknow, while Priyanka Gandhi was stopped in Sitapur. Several videos have surfaced on social media after the incident, some showing arson and vandalism by the protesting farmers. While a video surfaced on social media last night, which is showing that an SUV is coming from behind where farmers have gathered and they're walking peacefully, and an SUV comes from behind and runs over people at a very fast speed, and it can be seen that one of the person gets toppled onto the bonnet of the car. Since last night this video came, which is being shared widely on social media by politicians and opposition leaders and others, showing exactly what had happened. It's a 30-second clipped video. The video quality is not that great, so it's difficult to identify who's there and who's not.